Good morning, dear students. Today we are going to do some more questions of the miscellaneous exercise. This is 10th question. Integrate sine raised to the power 8x minus cos raised to the power 8x divided by 1 minus 2 sine square x cos square x. Here the numerator can be written as sine 4x raised to the power 2 minus cos raised to the power 4x whole square. Now in the numerator we can apply a square minus b square, where a is sine raised to the power 4x and b is cos raised to the power 4x. So it can be factorized as a minus b, a plus b. So sine raised to the power 4x minus cos raised to the power 4x into sine raised to the power 4x plus cos raised to the power 4x. Again, this first factor can be written as sine square x whole square minus cos square x whole square, and second also. Now in the first term we can again apply the same identity, a square minus b square, a minus b, a plus b. And in the second term, this is of the form a square plus b square, which can be written as a plus b whole square minus 2ab, क्योंकि इसमें आप अगर प्लस 2ab और माइनस 2ab करेंगे तो फर्स्ट थ्री टर्म्स विल फॉर्म a plus b whole square and then minus 2. So we can write it as sin square x plus cos square x whole square, that is a plus b whole square, minus twice a into b, that is sin square x into cos square x. This first term becomes 1 using the identity, and this also becomes 1. Then we get minus can be taken common from here, cos square x minus sin square x, and it becomes 1 minus 2 sin square x cos square x. This cos square x minus sin square x becomes cos 2x using the identity. So we get minus cos 2x and 1 minus 2 sin square x cos square x. Put this value of the numerator in the given integral, and then this factor gets cancelled with the denominator, and we are left with only minus cos 2x, and the integral of cos 2x is sin 2x divided by 2 and plus constant of integration. Next is integrate 1 upon cos x plus a cos x plus b. Here x plus a minus x plus b is equal to a minus b. So we will multiply it with the sign a minus b in the numerator as well as denominator. Then a minus b is replaced by x plus a minus x plus b, and after that apply the identity sign a minus b. Here a is x plus a and b is x plus b, and sin a minus b is sin a cos b minus cos a sin b. So we get sin x plus a into cos x plus b minus cos x plus a into sin x plus b in the numerator. Then separate the terms and divide it by the denominator. In the first term cos x plus b gets cancelled, and in the second term cos x plus a gets cancelled, and this becomes tangent x plus a, and here it becomes tangent x plus b. Then integral of tangent x plus a is log mod secant x plus a or minus log cos or log cos minus log mod cos x plus a, or you can also write it as log 1 upon cos x plus a, which becomes minus log mod cos x plus a. Similarly here it becomes minus log cos x plus b, and this minus together makes plus. Now using log m minus log n, we get 1 upon sine a minus b log mod cos x plus b divided by cos x plus a plus constant. Next question. Integrate x cube upon under root 1 minus x raised 8. Here we can take x to the power 4 as t, because we can write x to the power 8 as x to the power 4 whole square, and when you differentiate it you will get 4x cube equal to dt by dx. So 4x cube dx is dt, so you can write x cube dx as dt by 4. So this numerator can be replaced by dt by 4, and in denominator we have 1 minus x raised 4 whole square. It means it is 1 minus t whole square. Now using the formula for integration of dx upon under root 1 minus x square, we get 1 by 4 sine inverse t, and put the value of t, that is 1 by 4 sine inverse x raised to the power 4 plus constant of integration. That's all for today. Thank you.